Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Hexa Sword game on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Play Store on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search button and then type in and search for the Hexa Sword game. Once you find the game, just tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Hexa Sword game on your device right away. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the play button you can tap on it to open up the game. Once the game is opened up, you can proceed with starting to enjoy your game without logging in or signing up right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Hexa Sword game on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.